What if I told you there's an AI assistant that can read entire books in one go, help you analyze massive data, write code, and still aim to be safer and more aligned with human values than anything before? Meet Claude AI. The question is, what is Claude AI? In this video, we're breaking it down. Claude AI is one of the fastest-growing generative artificial intelligence platforms in the world, and a direct competitor to tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. But what makes it special? How does it work? And why are developers and professionals talking about it? Let's unpack everything. What Claude AI is. Claude AI is a generative large language model developed by Anthropic AI, a company founded in 2021 by former OpenAI leaders focused on building AI that's both powerful and aligned with human values. At its core, Claude is an AI chatbot and assistant that understands natural language, generates text, solves problems, and performs complex tasks from creative writing to coding, document analysis, summaries, and more. Later versions can even handle multimodal inputs, like text with images, and retain huge amounts of context, up to around 200,000 tokens, which is roughly equivalent to 150,000 words in a single task. What sets Claude apart isn't just the output, it's how it was trained. Claude uses an approach called constitutional AI, where the model isn't just tuned by human feedback, but guided by a written set of ethical principles. This means it tries to generate answers that are not just relevant, but also helpful, harmless, and honest. Unlike some other AI models, Claude's design is meant to prioritize safety and alignment, reducing harmful or misleading responses through internal checks rather than relying solely on human-provided examples. Claude AI is remarkably versatile. It can answer questions with long-form reasoning, summarize large documents or data collections, write and debug code across multiple languages, help with research and analysis, adapt tone and style to fit your needs, create and work with structured outputs like documents or diagrams. Plus, its large context window lets it remember far more than many competitors, which is useful for tasks like long reports or detailed project conversations. Claude isn't just one model, it's a family of models. Anthropic releases models under names like Claude Haiku, fast and lightweight, Claude Soni, balanced performance, Claude Opus, most capable for complex tasks. These let users choose between speed, cost, and depth of reasoning depending on the job. Professionals use Claude for coding help and software development business, writing and documentation, academic research analysis, complex problem solving, workflow automation, and even creative brainstorming. Developers can use Claude via a web interface, through apps, or integrate it into their own software using an API. No AI is perfect. Claude can sometimes provide incorrect information, hallucinate, be overly cautious or refuse harmless prompts, struggle with some types of image understanding. And because it's tuned for safety, responses may be more conservative compared to other models. Latest news and developments. Claude continues to evolve. Recent updates include Excel integration for pro users to streamline workflows, new personalization features like tone, preferences, and project instructions, regular model releases like Claude Opus 4.5, which expand capability and performance. And because it's part of a rapidly advancing field, Claude's capabilities grow with every update. In short, Claude AI is a powerful, safety-focused generative AI assistant built by Anthropic that can understand, reason, and generate complex content across text, code, and tasks, with a strong emphasis on ethical, reliable output. If you want a demo of Claude's most impressive features or a comparison with ChatGPT and Gemini, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI breakdowns.